Alright, today we're at the ABT car show. This is probably going to be one of the best. Oh, that's the one I saw.
You saw this one?
Yeah. I saw it drive. Yeah, this show is going to be crazy. Oh, look at that Honda Del Sol.
I've seen that one.
Me and Derek, we went to the dealership. We took it for a test drive. 2 blocks, so burning its tires out. This VTEC one. Oh, there's MR2. STO? What is a STO?
STO right there.
Yeah, what does that mean? So this is the row of Lamborghinis. There's more over there. Convertible. There's a crazy looking one, the purple, right behind it. So this is pretty nice. I like the purple and yellow.
Ryan's very
Looks
particular.
cool.
There's nothing you can do about what it says. I'm sure you saw.
Oh, look at that.
He's just looking at them, and you don't know where it is. I respect that.
STO. So I guess there's 2 STOs. You got more cars pulling up. There's a Huracán, off-road looking one. We got this crazy paint job right there. Oh yeah, we got to hear this Porsche right here.
I think we're starting Revuelto. Yeah, that's the Revuelto.
Nice sound for the Porsche. Did you see this crazy thing?
Yeah, that's the bit I was talking about.
That's crazy.
You know how rare Murcielagos are?
Oh.
Which ones?
The white one over there.
That one?
There's
Oh, really?
also a Revuelto.
There's a Huracán.
And then there's a Storado. This is the one we saw. Remember the dirty one at Lake Geneva?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is the one. But like, not like the exact.
This one's like off-road or something?
Yeah, this is off-road.
Nice. Yeah. Oh, I hear something over there. What is that? I know I see the DeLorean, but I'm hearing something different.
I know.
Alright, let's check out the DeLorean. Oh my gosh, see that car? My dad had one in France. That's a Citroen Diana. Wow, this thing looks brand new. That's crazy. I remember in France we were like driving around and someone hit him in the front, and he's just like picked up a piece and put it inside. Okay, let's go. So I was in the back seat, and I remember it was raining because the whole roof is convertible. The rain was kind of leaking in. It's only, I think it's a 2-cylinder.
I think. I can't tell.
Yeah, there's electric Porsche over there. It looks like. There's a nice Porsche over here. Yeah. What's that? It's DeLorean. Old school. Why so serious car?
Have you heard of the meme?
Yeah.
It's like, why so serious?
So this is a Type S. What is it, Acura? G-Mail. There's a nice Porsche over there, Alex, that I think we missed. Yeah, it's a little different in the front. This is M. Let's check out this GT3. So this front looks a little different. GT3 RS with a huge wing. This thing is just sick, big. McLaren over here. Ferrari. Lamborghini. This thing is just crazy. Adventures of the STO. We're gonna get you the Instagram of this one. All right, here's the Instagram. It's crazy.
I don't know. That's the thing, like with them too, is like they use up the front lot for all their shop cars. It's like just keep them in the shop. They don't need to be out here. Exactly. Because if not, you got to get there at what, 8?
For a 10 o'clock start?
Really? That's what I say. Because I know there's
750S.
Schloss Battaglia. They do like the yearly cars and turnout every second Sunday from April to October. So this week they come up as their final.
Not a big show, but a lot of nice cars. We got a remote control car right here.
So it was like
Driving like this.
it was like me when we were going to Mont Blanc.
Yeah. I'm like cramping your arms up. And you won't get it. You're not going to get it. Even though they say you're going to get it, you're not going to get
That's insane.
Where you going? You're driving around. Where you going?
I totally get it because I'm a car guy.
It's very nice.
The model that's taking over my model this year is this entry level.
So,
430
what's your favorite around here?
Best one here, probably the Murcielago.
Murcielago.
And the second is the Revuelto.
Where's the Murcielago?
It's the white one over there. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're expensive. I mean, I had to think twice.
Everything is.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Where's the Murcielago? Where? Oh, that one. The convertible. Is this one you could afford?
No,
Really?
no way. So rare.
I wonder if those wings go up.
Probably do. Probably go down.
I like this this thing right here.
Like Irving and 83.
This is the Del Sol 5-speed. And then here's another nice car right here, the MR2. Yeah.
Wait, this is the MR2 show.
Yeah. Hello.
Getting ready to close it up.
Yeah. Were you at the MR2 show a couple months ago?
Yeah, at the Forest Preserve. over
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
Yeah. Were you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was helping the guy fix his wheel thing.
Okay.
He was hitting against one of the, I don't know, anti-sway bars.
So you have an MR2?
I have a 89.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, just a regular, but it's in the garage.
Okay.
It doesn't run yet. All right, cool. That's cool. I like the MR2s.
Oh, and it's right-hand drive.
Yeah, it's Japanese. Let's hear it. Wonder if there's gonna be any more cars pulling up.
There isn't?
I said, I wonder if there is. That's like a monster engine in there. Where? Where?
Behind me.
Where? Oh my god, that's Max?
Yeah.
Let's see where his daddy is. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Look at you, man. You're taller than your daddy now.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? There's Max over here. The double Max. Which one's yours? Which one's yours? Nothing yet?
No.
Yeah, we go to a lot of car shows. So
Which ones did you go to?
just every weekend, usually find something.
Every Saturday, every Sunday.
Yeah. Usually like Barrington and
Garage.
we were gonna go to that one, but we had to do something.
That's one of the biggest ones.
Yeah.
Thousands of cars. And there's like some really high-end stuff.
That's like the second.
Here you usually get high-end stuff too at ABT. I've been to this one before. You still got your BMW?
I haven't seen like
That's cool.
a lot of
Itching to switch it, but
Why?
I don't know. I just get bored with cars. That's a problem.
That's a problem. The car's a problem, or you're the problem? Hey, how come you're not an IT Max? Got all the Lambos pulling off. We're gonna hear the. There we go. That one sounds good.
Did you notice that they raised the ST?
Oh, the front? Yeah, I saw that. It was like, it was a little weird. But that's cool. We got the shot. So,
I think we're the best ones left.
yeah, the best cars left. So,
And I doubt we're gonna see like the Revuelto.
good show, man. Good to see you. Don't be a stranger. Live stream all. That's live streaming, wedding streaming. That's a money maker right there. are the most disappointing. What is that? No. Failed. There we go. That was nice.
There's actual children in there.
Yeah.
Little kids driving in the car.
Even the mom's car sounded nice.
The mechanic?
No, the yellow Porsche.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not bad. I kind of like that. One more. Yes.
Did you hear the downshift?
That was good.
Oh, the Supra's back.
The Supra's back? Oh, hell yeah. Come on. Oh, man. It's not bad. It's just stock.
Still nice.
Still stock. Still nice. Yeah. All right. We're done for the day. A hard day's work over here. Watch out for the car. All right. We still got this show car right here. The D. All right. So that's the end of the show. It is hot in my car because it's black. All right. What'd you like so far?
I like the...
It is hot.
I like your car the best.
Yeah.
It has the best gas mileage, diesel mileage.
Exactly.
It is fast.
It is fast. 430 torque.
I had a 335 diesel.
Yeah?
2011. Very nice.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. It's like a sleeper. I just got to remove all the emissions and the DPF, and then it'll be a little faster and it will sound better. But yeah, thanks. All right, so we got a fan. 1, 3. That's it for the show. All right. Say bye. Bye-bye.
Reconnect this.